Hi guys, so bit mad. So I think it's over guys, but life is go on. So while waiting guys, let's do it. Let's work. So always remember guys, like the too short. So be humble and fight always. Heck mo na. Isip lang.
Uy, pagkulang to. Ito, te.
Kain?
Hindi.